guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Samantha Izundu if you haven't been here before, and if you have, welcome back. So today I'm in my bathroom. I need to put my hair up because we are doing something a little bit different today. I got contacted by the brow specialist Brow Code, and they sent me their lamination and tint brow kit. Look at this, isn't it gorgeous? And this is something I've never done before. I've never tinted my brows and I've never laminated my brows. I've never even used soap on my brows. I've never done soap brows. So this is gonna be, I'm really excited. So it's gonna be a little bit fun and also a little bit terrifying. So let's put my hair up and I'll give you a few details about Brow Code. Now I already knew who they were because they stock online with Mecca. So I was like, I knew who they were straight away. I was like, I know who you are. So here is the brow tint kit and lamination sample kit, which is what they've sent me. It retails for Australian $74.90. I got the shade light brown, perfect. So I was thinking about it. I only have today to do this, and the brow tint needs to be set for 24 hours. So I thought I would laminate them first, leave it for a few hours, and then come back and tint them. That way my brows are in place to then tint. I'm hoping that's okay. I've done some reading and it doesn't say which one goes first. So Brow Code was created by Melanie. Innovative range offers a collection of brow styling tools and cosmetics with a diverse color palette, which together form a prestige line to carve out an industry niche. So they've got the makeup and they've also got the tint, like the more long term. It looks like they might ship worldwide if we have US and also UK, Canada, New Zealand, Europe. So it looks like they ship worldwide. So the kit in that I have in American dollars is 60 US dollars, just to give you some perspective. So, got my hair up. I'm just going to cleanse this area here because I've done my skincare and I've also got sunscreen on because I've been out this morning. Okay, so my brows are dry. Okay, so we're doing the lamination sample kit first, which is this here. I didn't show you the pretty box. So here's the pretty box that it came in. And this is the sample kit. So you've got the brow tint and the lamination sample kit. And I have light brown. So you can do multiple uses with the brow, but this is a one-time use. And then you get 4 sachets. So we have the lamination adhesive, step 1, which is the perming lotion. Step 2, the fixing lotion, and step 3, the keratin nourish. Apply the brow adhesive evenly through your brows in a thin layer. So what I did is I got a spoolie from a brow product I haven't used much, and I cleaned it with alcohol, so it's completely desanitized and clean, just so you know. So I'm looking at my mirror here. I'm so sorry. Or I could look in the mirror. Hey. Is this a little too close? So I don't have like those perfect bushy eyebrows that want to naturally go up, which is why I'm interested to see how this turns out. You can see my brows are naturally quite light, but I do like them to be just that little bit darker when I put makeup on. Apply brow adhesive evenly through your brows in a thin layer. Brush to comb and fix the hairs in place in an upward direction, ensuring you're setting the brow in the exact direction you wish to laminate the hairs in. That, and then I'm gonna read the next step. On top of the adhesive layer, apply half a sachet of step 1. Okay, let's do this brow. Full disclosure, I'm also doing a, just gonna dip it in there. Just gonna dip it in. I'm also doing a Insta reel, doing this as well if you wanna check out my Instagram. So I'm just gonna do one brow on each platform. We've got Instagram and here we have YouTube. Here we go. It really smells like perm, like I'm in the hairdresser. Yeah, that's my granny getting a perm done. Okay. Cover the brow with brow wrap. What's a brow wrap? Okay, so make a cover brow with the brow wrap. I don't have one. And make sure the hairs are fixed in an upright position. Leave for 5 to 9 minutes. I'm gonna do 7 minutes, which is medium to normal brow hairs. I don't have thick or thin. Okay, I've got my little squares. Is this right? Let's see. Okay. And make sure that it's in that upward. How's that? Remove the brow wrap from your first brow. Use a dry cotton tip to remove the perming solution from your eyebrow in an upward motion. Let's do one brow. This is my bad brow, remember? Keep that in mind. Apply half a sachet of step 2. Use a new cotton tip. 1 sachet for both brows. Cover your brows with the brow wrap and make sure the hairs are fixed. Okay, we're kind of doing it like again, and then leave for 5 to 9 minutes. Okay, so it's like the same as before. Let me get 2 more cotton tips. Doesn't feel harsh or anything on my skin, just to let you guys know as well. Feels pretty good. Here we go. It's not hard, it's just because I've never done it before. I'm like really taking my time. But if I continue to use this, I think it would actually be really easy. Once you know what you're doing, it's like with anything, once you know what you're doing, it's not so scary. You know what my favorite word is? One of my favorite words. Because it's just so ridiculous. Cloche. Cloche. I didn't even know what a cloche was until I was a grown adult. And now I can't get enough of the word. What's your favorite word? Let me know down in the comments. A word that just like gets you. And my most hated word is cottage cheese. I know it's 2 words, but I hate, no, not cottage cheese, clotted cream. Oh, I hate it. I hate that word. When someone says clotted cream, it makes me just cringe inside. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some more Glad wrap, brow wrap, and I'm just gonna stick them into place. Start 6 minutes. And I'll be back. So I've done my 6 minutes. Use a dry cotton tip to remove the brow fixing solution from your eyebrow in an upward direction. Do the other brow. If you'd like to wax your brows, now's the time to do it. No. Apply 1 sachet of the brow keratin. 1 sachet services both eyebrows. Using a spoolie, brush the cream evenly through the brow. Remove after 2 hours with a dry cotton tip or pad. And then it says to use the Brow Code Brow Gold Oil to nourish your skin and hair daily, which is fair enough. Keep it, that's for maintenance. And then each body laminate. Okay, we're not there yet. All right, so this is like the last step. Oh, let me take these off. Step 3, keratin nourish. I mean, it sounds fancy if you ask me. I'm feeling a little bougie. I love self-care, I love baths, I love all that good stuff, but I never really do these kinds of things. So this is like really exciting for me. Okay. And I've done the other brow. I must say, they're looking pretty fly for a white girl. I think we have a clear winner, and it's this good brow. Interesting. All right, I'm going to leave this on for 2 hours, and I'll come back and wipe it off, and I'm not gonna put oil on it because I'm gonna tint my brows. It's going through a lot today, but I mean, I'm feeling good. Okay, so it's been 2 hours and my brows look pretty good. That's my bad one. And I just don't want to like consider this eyebrow as a good review because it's patchy and it's not good. But this is a good one for a review. Can we see? See how it's just kind of like stayed up? So let's do brow tint in a nice little tin, which is great because there's more than one application. And it looks like this. Here's your little pot to mix in. Oh, I've got the Brow Gold oil. I'm pretty sure that's the oil. Oh, eyelash and eyebrow tint. I'm just going to do my brows today. And then the cream activator paste. So we have our instructions on here. Put a pea-size amount of the tint and the cream activator into the mixing dish. A pea-size amount. I don't have a lot of brows, so I don't think I need a lot of product. This would last ages, this little tube, if you're only using a pea size amount. So, cute little brush, give it a little mixy mix. And it says that it will go darker as you mix it, and that is normal. And I also remember reading in the instructions, if you want that kind of ombre look where it's darker at the end and lighter at the tip, you just remove a couple of minutes earlier this section. And I'm just going to really try and use everything that I have, because I want to make sure I get enough on the hair. It's only a small amount anyway. Just really get it in there. Tint them brows. And the longer you leave it on for, the darker it gets. And I'm not afraid of going a little bit darker because it's all going to fade eventually anyway. Okay, once you've applied the tint to your first brow, use a cotton dry tip to blend the product through. I've blended it pretty well. I can already see them darkening already. Can you see that? They're already going darker. Oh my god. This is so cool. Okay. The intensity of your desired result will alter during the duration, anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. The longer you leave it, the darker it will be. Remove the tint with a dampened cotton round. I can do that. Wipe the tint off by sweeping towards the edge of your face. Keep the brows dry for 24 hours. Okay, we'll deal with that after. I'm going to leave this, oh my god. Okay, this is like, I'm seeing real results because we've already laminated and now we're filling in. How long do I leave this on for? Not too much longer, hey? Okay, you know what? This is starting to get really dark. Oh my god, I'm not used to this. This is light brown. It's looking kind of dark. Oh, but if I'm scared to wipe it off too early. So let's just keep talking because then I'll have it on for a few minutes. Okay, so it says keep the brows dry for 24 hours after we remove everything. Your tint will be darker and more defined straight after application. However, it will begin to fade as you wash your face. So this is going to be the most dramatic it looks, just like when you get your hair done. So use the nourishing oil once the tint on your skin has faded. This brow oil will hydrate and promote the healthy growth of your brow hairs. And I just want to comment, like, I used hardly any. This brow tint is going to last me so long. So there's really good value in it. And I remember seeing the brow tint separately. Oh, I can't even remember how much it was. Was it around the $40 mark or $50 mark? So that's actually really good value. And you saw how easy that was to tint. I feel like the lamination was a little bit more involved because we're like trying to do a permanent hair fixation. But the brow tint is super easy. But I like how it is combined because you wouldn't have to do your brows essentially every day. You just get a spoolie and brush them up and you're done for the day. Like, that's super easy. When you do your brows and you have no makeup on, you kind of still look a little bit scary. So I will do my makeup and I will show you what it looks like once I wipe this off. But I'm pretty excited to see the results. I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna wash this. Okay, what do we think? I might even take the beginning off. Okay, as I'm wiping it off, it doesn't look as intense. So I think I'm gonna leave it on for another minute or two and I will be back. Okay, so I've just wiped this one off, as you can see, and there's no more product coming off. So let's now do this side, because it is darker than what I thought, but they also did warn you it will look darker, so I'm not gonna complain. It's definitely made my brows seem fuller, which is what I was hoping with the tint, because my eyebrows, when there's nothing in it, they seem really thin, but when I fill them in, they seem a lot fuller, because there is hair there, but it's just so light. So the lamination has pulled them up, and then the tint has actually filled them. That looks so good. That looks so good. Oh, I'm liking this tint. I'm going to put a face of makeup on and I'll come back and you just kind of see like the whole look. See me as a functioning human being, because I do have to go out. Okay guys, here I am with just a little bit of makeup. I've just got a doctor's appointment. Just a nice little wash of makeup. However, all I did do something. I put clear brow gel in because I just have to, and I just need to set it for the day. But excuse me, it's not too dark. Once you got makeup on, It's not too dark. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. 10 out of 10. And I think I definitely will continue tinting my brows. It was so easy. Laminate, definitely do it again. And I think I'd be more comfortable next time doing it. But it's definitely helped lift the brow. And lifting the brow makes you look younger as well, ladies and gentlemen. It does. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. I feel fresh. I didn't have to use a pencil. I've eliminated time out of my day. And I think the color's fine. It's not as, when I had no makeup on, it seems dark. But it's actually gonna keep getting lighter than this. So the fact that I don't feel like it's too dark now is a good thing. So give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll have all the information linked down below, whether you're in Australia, US, wherever it may be. If you want to check them out, I highly recommend them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.